Hi, welcome to Lynn's Recipes. Today for my Monday favorite gadget, I wanted to share with you my E-Z Rol Garlic Peeler. This is a little silicone cylinder that makes peeling garlic really easy. Now I want to show you how to use it. To use this garlic peeler, you just take one of your cloves of garlic and put it in the middle of the cylinder, and you just take your hand and you just rub back and forth. And then when you take it out, the peel comes off the garlic and it's done. So it's ready for your recipe, whether you want to slice it or dice it, or if you just want to do a lot of cloves of garlic and put them in a container in the refrigerator so they're ready for you to use whenever you need them. You can do that. I'll show you one more. And there it is. All the peel is off of the garlic. You can find these little garlic peelers at most any kitchen store. I have put a link to Amazon in the information box below in case you're interested. This is my E-Z Rol Garlic Peeler, and that's my favorite Monday gadget.